Tracking project progress is an essential part of project management. By tracking progress, you can monitor the status of the project, identify any potential issues, and make adjustments as necessary to keep the project on track. In this presentation, we'll take a look at the steps you need to take to track project progress with P6 Primavera. Before you can start tracking progress, you need to define the performance metrics for the project. This includes defining the key performance indicators (KPIs) that you will use to track progress. Common KPIs include schedule variance, cost variance, and resource utilization. Once you have defined your KPIs, you can start tracking progress against them. To track progress, you need to have an up-to-date project schedule. This means that you need to update the schedule regularly with actual progress data. In P6 Primavera, you can use the Progress Update feature to update the schedule with actual start and finish dates for activities. Once you have updated the project schedule with actual progress data, you can analyze the project performance against your KPIs. This includes calculating schedule variance, cost variance, and resource utilization. In P6 Primavera, you can use the Performance % Complete field to calculate the % complete for activities and compare it to the planned % complete. When analyzing project performance, you may identify variances and deviations from the planned performance. This could include activities that are behind schedule, over budget, or underutilizing resources. In P6 Primavera, you can use the variance analysis feature to identify these issues and determine their impact on the project. Once you have identified variances and deviations, you need to take corrective action to get the project back on track. This may involve adjusting the schedule, adding resources, or changing the scope of the project. In P6 Primavera, you can use the resource leveling feature to adjust the schedule and balance resource utilization. After taking corrective action, you need to rebaseline the project schedule. This involves updating the schedule with the new plan and setting new performance metrics for the remainder of the project. In P6 Primavera, you can use the baseline feature to save the new plan and compare it to the original plan. Finally, you need to report the project performance to stakeholders. This includes sharing progress reports, performance dashboards, and other metrics that demonstrate the status of the project. In P6 Primavera, you can use the reporting feature to generate customized reports and dashboards that meet the needs of different stakeholders. Tracking project progress is critical to the success of any project. By following these steps and using the features of P6 Primavera, you can ensure that your project stays on track and meets its performance objectives.